Hey guys, Calvin here. Today I'm gonna make a super easy snack, Cantonese style creamy custard bun, which is very famous and popular in Canton province in China. It's kind of dim sum in Cantonese breakfast, and it's a perfect lunch choice for kids in school. Let's get started straight away. This time I'm gonna start with making the filling because it needs a bit time to let the filling cool down. The ingredients are as simple as usual. Crack and beat 2 eggs in a big bowl. Add sugar and milk in. Stir well. Sieve flour and milk powder into the bowl. Mix well. Finally, add butter in, and you don't need to soften the butter beforehand. Pour the mixture onto a pan. Set heat on low and stir constantly until the butter melts and the mixture is as thick as this. Cover the custard with plastic wrap and set aside until it's cold, or store in fridge for about 1 hour. Then knead the custard to make it thicker and make it into balls. The ingredients can make 15 custard balls. Next, we are gonna work on our dough. Put sugar into warm water. Stir well and pour yeast on top of the water. Set aside for 5 to 10 minutes and wait until the yeast activates. Pour the yeast mixture into the flour. Add milk and cooking oil as well. Then we are gonna knead it. I kneaded the dough for about 15 minutes before it's getting warm. The dough can easily get warm due to the fermentation from the yeast. We are gonna finish kneading before that. Okay, the dough is smooth on the surface now. Let's set the dough aside, cover it and let it sleep for about 10 minutes. Now time's up. Sprinkle some flour on top of the worktop and the dough. Let's knead it a couple more times to get rid of air pockets inside the dough. Okay, let's cut the dough into 15 pieces. Let's move on. Flatten a piece of dough and roll it out a bit. Put a custard ball on top of it and use your pedicure to fold it like this. Open the window with scissors if you like, or just put it in a steamer. Cover the lid and set the clock. Steam for about 15 minutes after water boils. Let the buns sit for an extra 10 minutes before opening the lid in case the surface of the buns sag. Okay, it's ready to serve and I'm gonna move them to my bamboo tub. See, the buns look so great and they feel as soft as clouds. Let me take one. It's so tasty and you won't feel it's too sweet as a dessert though. Okay, that's it. I'm Calvin, Restaurant Recipe Shura, and I will see you in the next video.